bagay nan ou k fèm pare pou m'di tout lot babay. E gen bagay Siri san pipe, apel sot nan lay. Pa ganyen pa fè pou ma baby yo. Ne pa sa roble sak fòk plezi yo. Toujou sou lè loum tan kou Messi yo. Konen love la douci nan kou Jezi yo. Yes, sou mè de ti bay la si la fou. SS, fò la wè janti op sa chita sou. Mes an se manche de yo, plake de jem sou. Fè respect yo, kon me to ki ka fò tou konan l'amou. Tim sa ou feel, pa kite tan pase. Paske la vi patir, jeme an tout kase. Chache mwen chache, kote l'amou te kache. Pa mwen rekomanse, jeme an tout kase. On ti bagay nan ou k fèm sou poche. On ti bagay nan ou k fèm an vi vole. On ti bagay nan ou k fèm rete kole. On ti bagay nan ou k fèm sou danse. On ti bagay nan ou k fèm sou jeje. On ti bagay nan ou k fèm sou love. On ti bagay.
Nou fèk soti an na cookie guys. It was so good. Bonbon ate bon. Bonbon ate bon.
Mwen bon.
Yeah. Nou pran res la pou nou ale la kay paske Jeff a pral manje la vek. Le rive la kay pou l'trempe.
Mwen manje kon ti gomen sandan.
Yeah, you guys. So kounya nap mache. Nou gen pou nan nan Walmart la. You guys. Nou gen kek bagay.
Right?
Yeah, bagay pou nou fè manje a kes bagay so. Se sa nou pale nan Walmart la pou nou fè. Nou te suppose al nan mall la. But jounen an pran nou deyo. Because nou te gen lot bagay ke nou tap wigle. And then. Guys, funny story. Nou te perdi kamera. Avek tout footage. Ke nou te rekorde pou nou. Nou pa kon kote nou te mette SIM card la. Ki te gen res video yo. So fwa nou fè yon lot vlog pou nou. Ok?
Yeah, so nou pa poste pou deseman yo. Basi vlog nou te fè yon SIM card la. Nou pa wè kote
nou mette SIM card la. En nou fè video deja. Nou chache, nou pa wèl. So, nou achton lot SIM card. And SIM card nou achete ya. Is it SIM card?
Yeah, it's a SIM card, yeah.
E ba SIM card pasel pa an telefon. Don't go.
It's a stop sign.
Li pa SIM card pasel pa an telefon. But bagay, ou konen ba storage yo. Yeah.
It's what you call it? I gotta see the right name for it.
Nou kon sa map di.
It's okay.
Bagay ki kenbe memo we saw record ya. Nou te retirel pou nan mette video yo pase konen nou gen vlog ken ap bagay. But I don't know what happened. Nou pa kon kote nou mette bagay. So yeah. So nou achton la SIM card and...
Oh, it's SD card.
No, SD card, but ay sin yo bagay del kon sa.
No, I don't care about that. When you're calling it SD card, SD card. You're calling it
SD card, so yeah. So, nou ready. But nou achton lot. So, pou kounya la, se sa na fe kounya. So, nou gen pou nan Walmart. I think Walmart se next stop nou. So, na pale nan Walmart and then le nou even nan Walmart, na pale.
Nou even nan machine na, nou jete yon sandal yo. Nou bakon kote lage, men sa may fe, ma pou ay repase kote nou sot pase yo pou mwen. Si pa lage sou sidewalk la. Oh, mwen. Okay. Get away. That's it right here. That's where she left her shoe. It's crazy. Way more. I don't even know kile eres lage sulia, no? Mama. But I'm trying to leave, so nobody back. Man. Yeah, she dropped it right when we were on the crosswalk. I got it, yeah. Let me put it. You wanna drop it in there?
nous finissons venir là, mais nous pas au côté Zara, so je vais chercher notre téléphone ni pour voir qui côté nous est Zara, but for now, not done. Guys, know what outfit Eris? Eris cute. Eris, you cute. That one?
Yeah, what's that?
Okay.
Harris, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Guys, nous on lounge pour famille, on bathroom, oui, on toilette. Côté ti moun ka just jouer. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is so cute. You can go ahead and play. You can play. This is a playroom. Wow, Wow, Pour moun changer, bail tété. Mais qu'est-ce que ça pour moi? Let me go. This is so cute.
What's that little thing so Harris can't leave?
Where is? Just for family.
Yep, Harris wanna vlog.
You like it?
Yep. Okay, that's a good question.
Say hi, guys.
Let's see this.
Okay, guys. So couldn't even check it on iPad because Jeffrey Bezos on no iPad for trading. We Harris fashion because you back on my iPad. You.
Harris, you wanna see? You wanna see this one? You wanna see that one? The small one. Let's go home.
Let's go home, you guys.
Remember Lucid?
That's where we came, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Nou pa tou achete chez nan pou Harris la, parce nou te try pou nou achete deja. Nou pa dejen sa nou tap chache, but la gen yon paket chez. Parce Harris gen pi face devan machine na kon yap. It was gone, pi ka face there, so. I'm excited for Harris. Harris, you want a new chair? Yeah, we're gonna get you a chair. So now we're kes na wana pon, ap 2 pon la nale. Hopefully you fit na der machine parce que nous gen lot bay der machine, so. I got even work kes na pon la. Be back.
Catch up on anything you missed outside the stores and clubs. WalmartRadio.com keeps the good vibes flowing all day, every day. We are Walmart and Sam Club Radio.
Feeling me. I don't know. It's a baby.